Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy keto baked custard. Look at that, it's nice and creamy on the bottom, beautifully browned on top. It is so super easy to make, and I've written a full blog post with the recipe that you can pin and bookmark to make whenever you want to make this yummy dessert, so check down below for that. And also remember to leave a like and a comment to let me know if you've tried this recipe, and subscribe too for more yummy videos like this. Recently I shared a lemon cake which is just amazing, also a few ingredients, so easy to make. I'll leave that link in the information cards and down below for you. But for today it's all about this easy keto baked egg custard, so let's get straight into the recipe. Into the bowl we are going to pop 3 eggs, 1, 2, and 3 eggs. Then we are going to add a cup of cream. Just use whatever cream you have in your kitchen. A cup of milk. Again, just use what you have, whatever milk you use. Use that. And then we're going to pop on some vanilla. I'm going to use a teaspoon of vanilla. Yep. And I've got a half a teaspoon of cinnamon going on. Use a half a teaspoon or a full teaspoon, just depends how cinnamony you want it. And then for sweetness I am using stevia. Use whatever you want. I've popped a quarter of a cup of stevia on, and then we're just gonna whisk it all together. I'm going to use my electric whisk and whisk it until it's smooth and thickened and frothy. There you go, it's thick, frothy. Just make sure everything is nicely blended in, and we're going to just pour it into our oven dish now. We'll just move it aside a little. I'm using a little square oven baking dish, and we're just going to pour it all in. Just like that. Get every last drop. Might use a spoon, some of that cinnamony goodness is down there. There we go. Now the oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in for about half an hour. Just keep an eye, you don't want it to get too browned, but you want the custard to cook through. It'll still be a little bit on the wobbly side, but it will just thicken on cooling and get so nice and creamy. So this is going to go in the oven for 30 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. It's out the oven. You can see it's got a nice and browned top, and it's creamy and custardy on the bottom, and it's just such a yum dish. As you saw, this is so super easy to put together, and it creates such a yum easy keto dessert that's creamy and sweet and just so wonderful. So let me break into it, show you what it looks like inside. Oh yeah, oh, it smells so good, and some cinnamony. It's a little hot now, but in a little bit I'll enjoy it nice and warmed, maybe with a bit of whipped cream. It is just such a yummy dessert. So there you go, that's the recipe for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos too, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video and any future requests that you may have. And also remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where you can pin and bookmark it to make whenever you want this yummy goodness. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.